What you have always wanted to know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate programs are a great marketing technique that companies use to lure in customers. Companies basically outsource the job of attracting customers to affiliates by paying them for each sale made. When using affiliate marketing, there are some important facts to remember. Use the tips in the following video to properly use affiliate marketing. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Affiliate marketing opens the door for many people who are looking to start a home-based business. As long as you have the technical know-how, this is an ideal opportunity to make a living or supplement your income, depending on how much time you want to invest in the undertaking. Setting up a website promoting the products you are trying to sell is the first step, but don't stop there. Take advantage of email, blog forums, social networking sites and chat rooms to reach as wide an audience as possible. Write videos about the products, and post them on your own website to increase your traffic. Join one or many affiliate programs. One of the benefits from working at home is that it gives you the flexibility to choose your own hours. With some dedication and commitment, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to turn that spare room into an office. As stated before, companies lure in customers by using affiliate programs. Companies hire affiliates to attract more customers and pay them for each sale. By using the tips from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to lure in more customers and increase the profits of your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yeet ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.